One of Oklahoma's most high-profile inmates back in court today fighting for her freedom. We introduced you to April Wilkins last year. She's serving a life sentence for the murder of her abusive ex-boyfriend, that is, in Tulsa back in 1998. Wilkins has become one of the faces of the Oklahoma Survivors Act. It's a new law passed last year to allow victims of domestic violence to be sentenced with their abuse as a consideration for that sentencing. The law is retroactive, which means a judge could adjust April's life sentence if she can prove that she is a victim of domestic violence and her crime is the result of that abuse. News 4's Allie Meyer has been reporting extensively on April's case. She was in the courtroom in Tulsa today with April Wilkins.
Here at the Tulsa County Courthouse, the judge denied April Wilkins' request to be let out of prison. But he did hear evidence from both sides of the case, and he wants them back in his courtroom again at the end of summer to set a hearing under the Oklahoma Survivors Act. Dozens of people packed into the tiny courtroom to see if Judge David Guten would release April Wilkins from prison, her sister.
She could be a useful person in society again. She served her time.
Her friend.
It is going a whole lot different than it did in my county, but I'm still hopeful and I still believe in justice, and I believe that the judge will do the right thing.
Lisa Moss was the first Oklahoman to be released from prison under the Oklahoma Survivors Act. Even though April Wilkins was the first Oklahoman to file for a sentence adjustment under the new law, Wilkins' case has been moving very slowly. She hasn't even had a hearing yet to present evidence of her domestic abuse.
I'd like to get moving forward on it, but I'd like to have what the people are entitled to before we move forward on a trial. I am zealously advocating on behalf of the victim's family in this case and making sure that we have done our due diligence.
The judge asked both sides to be ready by mid-August or early September so Wilkins can have her day in court.
While we are disappointed that Ms. Wilkins will remain in custody presently, we are enthused that the court has set a firm resentencing date. We remain steadfast, we remain fighting for her case, we remain fighting for her freedom, and we believe when we put our case on, the evidence will speak for itself.
Wilkins was in the courtroom, shackled, in prison stripes. In Tulsa County, cameras are not allowed any access to the courtroom. Allie Meyer, Oklahoma's News 4.
Allie, thank you for that. Of course, we'll be sure and let you know when a court date for Wilkins' Survivors Act hearing is scheduled.